Try the most famous Hollywood diet and you'll lose 6 pounds in 4 days. And goodbye also to diabetes and cholesterol. Although hard to believe, this cucumber diet can help you lose 6 pounds in just 4 days. Cucumber is a vegetable that prevents cravings for food and overeating. What you need for this diet is 350 gr. fresh fruit, 3 pieces of integral bread or 2 boiled potatoes, 160 gr. of tuna, tea and coffee without sugar. You can also eat fresh cucumber salad or drink a cucumber shake as a snack. Feel free to eat them whenever you feel hungry. 1-day plan: breakfast, cucumber salad and 2 hard-boiled eggs. Refreshment: 1 large apple, 1 peach, less than 200 gr or 5 plums. Lunch: integral bread, can be toasted, and cucumber salad. Refreshment: cucumber shake. Dinner: fruit salad, 300 gr. Cucumber salad recipe. Ingredients: 400 gr. cucumber, 200 milliliters milk, sour or natural yogurt, fresh onion. Preparation: peel the cucumber and cut into small pieces, then add the salt and mezcal well. Now add chopped onion and the yogurt, and the salad will be ready. Cucumber shake recipe. Ingredients: an apple, 1 cucumber, a small piece of ginger, 1 handful of spinach, 20 gr. of almonds and nuts. Preparation: place the apple, spinach and cucumber in a blender and mix well, then add the ginger and mix again. Pour the mixture into a tall glass and garnish with almonds and walnuts. Drink it cool. It contains essential vitamins and minerals that will keep you satisfied and improve your overall health. Note: exercise regularly if you want to speed up the fat burner process of the cucumber diet.